And we are rolling. You guys, this channel has hit 4,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, like what? That's insane. And it's all thanks to you guys. Yes, I know I'm the one making the videos, but it's you guys giving me the motivation to keep going, and we wouldn't be here without you. And so to say thank you, I wanted to be able to give something back to you guys. And so that is why we are doing our first ever giveaway on this channel. I'm gonna be giving away a ring light to one incredible subscriber. Yes, I know, I would love to buy every single one of you a ring light, but the content, it's not quite there yet. This giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube in any way, and the prize is not sponsored. It's purely just a gift from me to you. Let me actually show you guys the ring light. The lighting is going to change because I'm currently using the ring light to help me record this video, but I want to show it to you guys. Hold on. This is the ring light that one lucky subscriber is going to be receiving. Okay, obviously not this one because this one is mine, but I will be sending you one of your own. And I've had this ring light for about 2 years now, and I really love it. Two of my favorite things about this ring light is one, it's really easy to set up because I do also have a second ring light, and when you go to make the ring light taller, you have to turn the knobs. But I really appreciate this ring light because literally it just snaps and you can move it up and down really easily. So super quick setup. And then also what's nice is, I don't know if it will pick it up here on camera. Oh, I need to plug it in. Hold on. But when I turn it on here, let's see if it will show up on camera. So if I click on this button here, you can see it like slightly, changes. So there's 4 different color settings on here, and then you can make it brighter or not as bright, which is really nice. And then you just tap this here to turn it on and off. I use this ring light to make TikToks and YouTube videos, and a ring light is honestly just a fabulous tool to have to help you elevate your content. Okay, so now let's set this back up so we can continue recording the video. All the rules for the giveaway will be posted down below in the description of this video, but it's really simple to enter. Number 1, make sure you're subscribed here on YouTube to my channel, Kyla Liu. 2, make sure to follow me on TikTok at Kyla Liu. And number 3, make sure to comment on this video your goals for TikTok this year and your TikTok handle. And a winner will be chosen at random. The giveaway will begin as soon as this video goes live and will be open for 5 days. So make sure to subscribe, follow me on TikTok, and comment down below before the giveaway closes on Saturday, February 25th at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Any entries after Saturday, February 25th will not be counted. The winner of this giveaway will be announced on Monday, February 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the comments of this video and in the community tab of my channel. I will also send you a personal DM to your TikTok username to get all those details squared away so I can get your ring light to you as fast as possible. Yay! Once again, I want to thank every single one of you for your support. It means the world to me that you take time out of your day to watch my content and leave comments. With that being said, I'm actually going to jump down into the comments section and read all of your goals for TikTok. Best of luck, and I'll catch you on the next one.